Hello, hello, so
Hello.
oh, very cute. Okay, hello, my Tony. I thought you are offline. I called, you did not answer. It's okay. I'm happy to see Tony and also brother,
Budget.
brother. Brother. Okay. How are you, Tony?
Good.
Only good. What did you do today? Oh, I did.
I go to the school and I go to the academy and Petal Academy and and another class and I had math and Korean. Bye bye. Let me do Korean.
Korean Academy. Yes. See you soon. Oh, very long day today, right? Oh, I'm very proud. You did a great job today. It's like woo, woo, woo. Is it okay that we dance a little bit?
Yes, and yesterday.
Ooh, really?
Usually.
Really, really. Okay. Because you have a rather, we will just dance a little bit. Also for Energizer, do you still remember our dance? Oh, oh, dance a little bit. We have music. Okay, come on. Just a little bit, like 10 seconds. Okay, ready, ready, ready. Okay.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad to be with you, and you,
Open.
and you, and you.
Na, 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 na. You don't like that? No? Okay, one more time, one more time.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. La 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 la.
Right. Okay. How are you, Tony? Oh, what happened? What's going on? Hello? Oops.
Hello.
Oof. I think video is not good. Can you see teacher?
Yes.
Okay, and you can hear me well. Is that correct? Okay, okay. Good job participating in the video with the video at the video. Okay, come on. We will read our book. Do you still remember our book, Skill Sharpener?
Yeah.
Right here. Okay. We talked about last time a little bit of review about the word fetch. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is fetch again? Come here, dog. Fetch the stick. Come on, come on, come on. Fetch it, fetch it. Which one?
I
Just
don't
quick.
know.
It's to get something and bring it back. Remember? You remember?
Yes.
Get it? Yeah. Okay, Tony, can you fetch me a water? It means you will get me something, water, and bring it back. No, we cannot fetch the water. It's okay. Not applicable to this story. Okay, how about puddle? What's puddle?
Mm,
Pool. Uh,
mm, a little pool of water.
Yes, good job, good job. A little pool of water. How about last word? Just a quick review. Rinse. Number five, rinse.
Rinse to use water to get soap off.
Yes, correct. Rinse off. Can you rinse off? If you're taking a bath, you take off the soap. Soap off. Okay, good, good. Good job, Tony. Now we will move on to the next topic. Our topic is about the sound of the TH. See, you will say in English the in the. Yes? The T, letter T and H sound in the word the. That's why we don't say tihi. No, we say the. Okay. How about we try a little bit of activity right here about we put X. Okay. Tony will try to read instruction. Circle the words. Okay, read.
Instruction circle the word. Echo the word with the sound of the and the. And then make an X on the word with the sound of the and the.
Okay. We have two sound. For example, the sound of the. It's like letter D. Yes? The. The. But with the sound of three, we have the H longer. Th. But this, the. But this, the. For example, then. That's like letter D, but spelling is TH. So we circle the words. This is not circle. Okay. We circle the words with the D sound, the same with the, and make an X like this, X on the words with the three, for example, not the sound. Okay, we try then. Is it a circle or an X? Of course, it's circle. Okay, good. How about this is only example. How about next word? Can Tony try? Yes, yes, yes. Hello, hello. Can Tony try to answer? I think your internet is a little bit slow. Mine is
Yeah.
full. Okay, can you hear teacher? Okay, one more time. Uh, how about this word? The. Is it a D sound like the or the th sound in three? Three, like that. Should we circle or X?
X
There? Then,
circle.
okay, circle. Correct. Great job. How about next word? This one?
Symbol.
Okay, so is it circle or X?
Circle.
Circle. Okay, don't mind the circle. Okay, next one. B. What's
and
this word?
uh,
Bath. Okay. Is it circle or X? Yes. Circle or X? Is it like this? D?
X,
X. Okay. X. Because it's not bad. We don't say that. We say bath. Like three. Okay, good. How about this one?
row,
Throw. Is it circle or X?
X,
Okay, the same with three. Good job. Good job, Tony. How about next word?
those,
D, d, d. Circle or X?
those,
Yes? Circle or X?
circle,
Okay, circle. Good. We will come back to the first part. Okay, next word. What's this?
that, that,
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I hear it. That. Is it circle or X?
X, circle,
X. The. That. It's a circle. Okay, good. How about next one? What's this?
red,
With. Is it circle or X?
X,
Mm? Again, just one, just one. Is it sound? The sound is like D or th?
X,
Th. With. Oh, we circle it again. With. Yes, try. With.
with,
Yeah, it's like D sound. Okay, how about this one? Letter.
those,
No, no, no. The. E, E, E. Again.
these,
These. Okay, is it letter D, circle, or X? Third. Third. Yes, I see a pattern here. Is these circle or an X?
circle,
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, these. But it's like the same with three. We say these. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Now we have circled then, there. Thimble is not D, but TH sound. We don't say dimble. We say thimble. Okay, so we put this one X. Okay. Now, can Tony read all the words? Yes?
F,
Okay. Read from here and then all the words. The, then, Hello? Hello, Tony. You're gone again. Okay, read words then.
Then, then the temple have drawn those that wet those.
Mmm. But I think with is like the same with three. With the. Yeah. Sounds like. Anyways, we know now about the sounds of T and H, the, and then D, like that. Okay, how about we adding endings right now? For example, we add ed to the word and we add ing to the word. For example, can we try Tony? Start, we put started, right?
Yes,
Yes? Okay. Now we have the word started. Yes?
yes,
Okay. How about we add ing? Ing. Okay.
right.
We have starting. Correct, correct. That's good. Now, how about next word? What's that word? This one?
Shout.
Okay. Now, what would be our new word? Ed and ing. It would be sh, sh.
Shout.
And then add ed here. Sh. Can you read? Shout. Okay. Oh, the same with start. We put ed like this. We say started. And then ing form, it will be starting. Starting. Started. Okay, how about shout?
Shouted. Shouting.
Good. Very, very good, Tony. And the next word, pool.
Pulled. Pulling.
Good. You said pulled, not pooled. That's good. We crush out E. The E sound, we just directly say D. Pulled. Good, good, good. Good job. How about next word?
Lick. Licked. Licking.
Good. Good job. Now, last word.
Paint. Paint. Painting.
Painted. Please say it.
Painted. Painted. Painting.
Yeah, like started, painted. Okay, good. Good job, Tony. You know, already adding endings of the basic form of the English word or like the simple word. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Ooh, but we're running out of time. Anyways, just a little bit coverage, or we will talk just a little bit from this page today because it's almost time also. Can you please read?
Harmond.
Okay.
Harmond are words that take the place of nouns.
For example, in the box, example words of pronouns in the box. Can you see it? Can you
Yes.
please read?
He, his, she, her.
Okay, which words there are for the boys? Two. Two for the boys and two for the girls. Yes? Okay, teacher.
Mm,
For the boys is mm, and then girls is mm. Do you know pronouns for the boys? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Which one for the boys? Ooh, logging. Okay. Can you see? Hello?
hello.
Okay. I think your uh internet is slow or mine. I don't know. Okay. For the pronouns, we have for the boys and then for the girls. And we will talk more about this next time because it's almost time. Anyways, Tony, can I ask if it's okay to give homework? Okay or no?
Okay. No.
Oh, no. You don't like homework assignment?
Yes.
Okay, teacher, understand. Okay, thank you for your time, Tony. We talked about adding endings, ed and ing. You're really good at it. I think you already know these words from the past. And good choices on your sound of the and then the, like that. The and then three. Throw bath, I like that. Thimble. Okay, good job today, Tony. We will talk about more about pronouns next time. That's it for today. Bye bye. So
Bye bye.
happy. Thank you, Tony, for your time. Thank you.